Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the motor and filter in your Dyson DC37 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Now let's get started. First, unplug your Dyson DC37 from the mains to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. Now you should see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you notice any buildup, use a soft brush or cloth to clean it out. Next, disconnect the motor wires. There will be a connector that you can gently pull apart. Remember to take note of where each wire connects, as you will need to reconnect them later. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. With the wires disconnected, you can now remove the motor. There are usually 2 or 3 screws securing it in place. Use your spanners to carefully unscrew these. Once the screws are out, lift the motor out of the compartment. Be mindful of any additional components that may come loose during this process. Now, let's focus on the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually situated near the motor. Remove the filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Inspect the filter for any signs of damage or excessive dirt. If it appears worn out, it's advisable to replace it with a new one for optimal performance. Before installing the new filter, clean the filter compartment to ensure there's no dust or debris that could affect the vacuum's efficiency. Once cleaned, insert the new filter by twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Now it's time to install the new motor. Place the motor back into its compartment, ensuring it sits securely. Reattach the screws you previously removed to secure the motor in place. Reconnect the motor wires, ensuring each wire is connected to its corresponding terminal. After everything is securely in place, reattach the back cover of the vacuum cleaner. Make sure all clips are engaged and that the cover is flush with the body. Replace the screws at the back to secure the cover. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson DC37 back into the mains. Turn it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also offer a quote before repair service, so you know exactly what to expect. With these steps, you should now have a fully operational Dyson DC37, ready to tackle any cleaning task with ease. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.